darkness to light, mess to home purity. Dreame R20 cordless stick vacuum with blue lights illuminate the dirt, displaying even microscopic particles. Flexible yet mighty mini motorized brush smoothly gets rid of invisible dust bunnies that might lurk under the couch, and ensures fast hair and pet fur pickup that keeps your sofa fur-free. Extra wide combination tool creates exceptional comfort by sucking up crumbs and dirt from narrow spaces, while the remarkably thin crevice nozzle makes cleaning a cinch for hard-to-reach places. Dreame R20 rejuvenates your routine by providing a consistent 90-minute runtime. Empty the dirt easily and wash the components when you are done cleaning. Dreame R20. Smart cleaning with intelligence.